Hi guys, we're gonna draw a kid having fun catching snowflakes. So to start, I'm gonna make a rectangle for the scarf that the kid is wearing. Okay, now we're gonna make what looks like it's going to be a circle, but then on the top we're going to have a little smaller circle. So we're going to go up, stop, a little circle, and then finish it. Kind of looks like a beanie hat right now. Okay, we're going to make a mouth, and then coming out of the mouth is going to be a tongue to catch the snowflakes. Now this is the bottom of the face because the head's all the way back, so this is the bottom of the nose, and so we'll see the little nostrils. Kind of looks like a silly face. Okay, now we're going to make some little arms going up. So a rectangle on that side and on this side. And we want this to be a scarf, so we're going to put a rectangle down here too. Okay, so these are the sleeves, and so we need little hands coming out. We're going to put mittens on them. So it's very easy to draw a mitten hand. You just make a small bump for the thumb and a big bump for all the rest of the fingers. Okay, and we can't see the top of the head, but we are going to say that they're wearing like a little winter hat. So we're going to make a little curved point over here and put a puffball on it to show that their hat's on the other side of their head. Okay, now we gotta make our snowflakes all coming down on the top. So that's gonna make this make more sense. That's why else are they making this silly face, right? So, simple way we're gonna make a snowflake is by making a vertical line crossed with a smaller horizontal line and then an X on top of that. Okay, now that doesn't really look all the way like a snowflake, so we're going to put little circles on the vertical and the horizontal line. Sometimes on the end. Another way is to make only 3 sides, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And then on the other side, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to put our circles. And you can also put little lines inside of them too. Okay, we're going to keep adding snowflakes. And I'm also going to put some little diamonds for when the snowflakes are even too small to really see. I'm just going to show that there's more stuff by having some little diamonds around. Okay, so here's our silly snowflake picture, and you can color it. Okay guys, bye.